Alright, YouTube, got an easier way for disabling the double honk when the keyless entry key is outside the car. Instead of going into just 1 second here, instead of going into this information in Forscan and doing that top line right there, and changing that value, if you go into the body module configuration, the plain English one, and push play, change this configuration for lost PKE notification. I don't know what PKE stands for, maybe personal keyless entry, but anyways, if you go into that and then go edit selected, go disable, hit the check mark, it'll say disabled there, and then hit the right button, again hit the check mark, it'll do its writing thing, it'll say it's programmed successfully, hit stop, and you can verify it, but it should do it automatically, and it should auto-calculate the values for you so that it disables a double honk instead of having to go in and subtract 80 or whatever the case is, right? So there you go.